Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Inventive Tech, a channel dedicated to new ultimate gadgets and innovations. Traffic jams are becoming a most common problem nowadays. That's why in this video I'm going to share the 7 best foldable electric scooters to buy in 2020 and beyond. Each of these scooters has some special features which will blow your mind. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and I guarantee you will surely love this. Let's get started. Number 7. Mercane Transboard. The Transboard has been developed with 3 main mottos: speed, safety, and stability. Featuring double wishbone suspension, the Transboard helps you drive safely regardless of road conditions. Likewise, the self-folding system makes it easy to fold Transboard with just one simple gesture. Once you fold the Transboard in half, you can simply roll it along with you. With its high-performance 500-watt BLDC hub motor, the scooter reaches a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Additionally, it can go up to 30 kilometers on a single charge. Number 6. Unagi. As long as the roads aren't too bad, Unagi's electrical ride can help keep your car in the garage until you truly need it. The Unagi looks downright futuristic with its classy paint jobs, foldable body, LED screen, and built-in lights. The ride feels sturdy, strong, and responsive while being light enough at 24 pounds to lug up subway stairs or the flights to your home. Every inch of an Unagi is designed with durability, structural integrity, and minimal aesthetic. It's a transportation experience like no other. Number 5. AKTIVO. AKTIVO is the most stylish and powerful electric scooter out of the bunch, with hubless wheels and incredible specs for daily use. It is built out of a single-piece magnesium frame and is propelled by an astonishing empty-wheel electric motor. With a 1,000-watt brushless motor, the AKTIVO Scoot is the most powerful scooter in the market. AKTIVO Scoot's 1,000-watt hubless electric motor is by far the most powerful motor in an electric scooter of this category to date. This innovative brushless motor uses a set of 60 magnets to deliver an unprecedented torque output and speed control to take you literally anywhere. Number 4. Mini Falcon. Though folding e-scooters are nothing new, you generally have to carry them about in your hands between rides. Mini Falcon is the first full-size, high-performance electric scooter that folds up into a 23-inch long package and fits in a backpack. Powerful torque, adjustable gears, shock absorption, a long-lasting battery, and many more features make the Mini Falcon not just more portable, but also the most dependable e-scooter in the market. Number 3. 9BOT Max. Most electric scooters face the problem of limited mileage and battery life. The 9BOT Kick Scooter Max changes this with a battery capacity of 551 watt-hours. That almost triples the mileage of the 9BOT Kick Scooter ES2. With a max range of 40 miles, you can easily ride 162 laps around a standard running track in a single charge, or complete a full marathon plus another half marathon. Go green by commuting to work on your Max and recharge it only once a week. Number 2. Mercane. This e-scooter reaches a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour and has a range of up to 55 kilometers with one charge of 4 hours, depending on the battery. The seat can be adjusted to match riders with different heights. Quality materials, powerful brakes, and superior handling. Mercane makes sure you have the control and stability needed to stay out of trouble. Number 1. Milo. Milo is an innovative, all-electric 3-wheel scooter that is sturdy, ultra-compact, and fun to ride. With a 3-wheel configuration, it folds in less than 1 second and provides a practical and portable mode of personal transportation. What really sets Milo apart from other scooters is its innovative folding mechanism. Milo carries 2 batteries on board and uses one at a time. Once you run out of one battery, you engage the fully charged battery by using a simple switch. Each battery provides 10 to 15 miles of range and charges in about 3 hours. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did by making it. Let me know by commenting below which electric scooter you like the most. If you want to buy any of these scooters, the links are in my description. That's all for today. If you like this video, then support us by sharing with your family and friends and giving us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.